Hi, hello everyone. Welcome to SK Academy of Mathematics. Today we are going to learn how to solve the problem on what matrix norm. One of the easiest scoring marks in the matrix, which I am going to explain now. Just you are supposed to find one norm and infinity norm. How to find one norm and infinity norm? One of the easiest, and I am going to explain now. First, let us consider the given set of matrix. Always remember, you need to represent the given set of matrix. Given that is A, which is equal to 2, 3, 4, 0, 2. Please be careful while representing the elements 0, 5, 6, 3, 4, 1, minus 1, 3, minus 3, 2. Okay, considering the given set of matrix, they have asked to find first L1 norm. What does this L1 norm represent? First one norm, or we can call it as column norm. Also we can call it as column norm. What does this one norm and column norm represent is just nothing else. You get norm A1, which is equal to maximum of, just you are supposed to add the column wise elements, that is see modulus 2 column wise 2 0 1, modulus 2 plus 0 plus 1, that's it, column. Next second column, modulus 3 plus modulus 5 plus modulus minus 1. Next modulus 4 plus modulus 6 plus modulus 3. Next, the fourth column, modulus 0 plus modulus 3 plus modulus minus 3. Next, the last column, modulus 2 plus modulus 4 plus modulus 2. Okay, which will be equal to maximum of. Since I am going to represent in the column, I am going to add and represent it in the column wise itself. 2 plus 0, 0, sorry, 2 plus 0, 2, 2 plus 1, 3. Next 3 plus 5, 8, 8 plus 1, 9. Next 10, 13. Next 3 plus 3, 6. Next 2, 8. See, okay, 2 plus 4, 6, 6 plus 2, 8. Which is the maximum? The maximum is 13. That's it. This we call it as column norm or one norm. That this much is only the solution. Okay, done? Nothing more. Next we are supposed to represent infinity norm. Infinity norm or row norm, both are same. Infinity norm or row norm, that is norm A infinity, which is equal to matrix. Now you are supposed to add row wise. In the column you have added column wise. Okay, you have added column wise, but now you are supposed to add row wise. That is modulus 2 plus modulus 3 plus modulus 4 plus modulus 0 plus modulus 2. Then modulus 0 plus modulus 5 plus modulus 6 plus 3 modulus 4. The last row, modulus 1, modulus minus 1, modulus 3 plus modulus minus 3 plus modulus 2. Okay, represent maximum. You are supposed to represent maximum. Norm A infinity equal to maximum. Since we are adding the row wise, so I am going to represent the maximum with respect to row wise. First, let us add the terms. Okay, first 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 0 plus 2, you get 11. Next we have 0 plus 5 plus 6 plus 3 plus 4, you get 18, comma. Next the last 1 plus 1 minus become positive since it is in modulus sign, plus 3 plus 3 plus 2, you get 10. Which is the maximum number? That is 18. This much is only the solution. To find the given set of matrix and represent it in the form of L1 norm, sorry, what, one norm or column norm or infinity norm or row norm. When it comes to matrix norm, consider the matrix represent one norm. Now considering the matrix, add column wise in one norm. Add column wise, represent the maximum number, add, you get 13. Similarly, repeat it for infinity norm or row norm. In this row norm, row a infinity which is equal to maximum, add row wise. If you add row wise, you get three set of values 11, 18, 10. In the which is the maximum number, that is 18. This much is only the solution to find matrix norms of the given set of matrix. I hope you have understood each and every step of the finding matrix norm. For more videos, please do like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video. Thank you.